Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 9, Up You Go. So, here is the story of 2nd February 1984, Mountaineering Camp. So, my dear, here comes a word camp. Okay. So, what is the meaning of this word camp? So, basically, a place where people live in tent or simply simple buildings that is away from their homes. Okay. Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi. So here is a place named Uttarkashi. So Uttarkashi is in Uttarakhand. So now let's begin to the story. So continuing from here, we were at the mountaineering camp and were very excited. 20 of us were teachers from Kendriya Vidyalayas. There were other women from banks and other institutions. So basically we can say all of were very excited in the camp. Okay. So 20 teachers were from a school, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya school, and there were other women also. Some were from banks and other institutions, that means working institutions. Okay. Today was the second day of the camp. That means it is the second day of the camp. In the morning, as I got out of bed and put my foot down, I screamed in pain. I remembered yesterday's 26-kilometer walk with the heavy rucksack on my back. I was afraid to go back to that steep climb and the rough, narrow path. It means that it was now the second day of the camp, and that girl's foot was paining a lot and she was screaming in pain. And she remembered why her foot was paining, because yesterday she has taken 26-kilometer walk, and that also with a rucksack on her back. And you know what is the meaning of rucksack? Rucksack means a bag that is used for carrying things on the back. The girl was very afraid to go back to that climbing again and that narrow path. Okay. With tear in my eyes, I started walking slowly towards the room of Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of our adventure course. I was thinking of what I would say to excuse myself from that day's trek. Suddenly, I heard his deep voice from behind. Now that girl has tears in her eyes and she was walking very slowly. The room of Brigadier Gyan Singh, and the Gyan Singh was the director of the adventure course here. The whole course they have came for. And she was thinking what she should say to excuse herself from this heavy trekking. Okay. Because she doesn't want to go on that trek and does not want to carry that rucksack. Okay. And that narrow path she don't want to cross at all. So she wanted to give him a excuse. What happened suddenly? She heard a deep voice from behind. So whose deep voice came from behind? Obviously, the Gyan Singh, that brigadier's voice came from the behind. He said, "Madam, what are you doing here at breakfast time? Hurry up. Otherwise, you will have to trek on an empty stomach." So he said her that, "Madam, take your breakfast fast. What you are doing here? Otherwise, you have to go on an empty stomach. That means you have to go without the food. So take your breakfast hurriedly." Okay. So what is the meaning of trek? You means no, trek means going on a long walk. Okay. So she said, Sir, I could not say anymore," and she could not say anything to him. She tried hard to say, Sir, but she could not repeat it loudly. Okay. "You have came to tell me that you have blisters on your feet. that you cannot walk, isn't it? So that now the brigadier said, he heard her voice. So he said, so what you want to make the excuse? That you have the blisters on your feet. So blister means student swelling, okay. So the lady said, yes sir. So he said, that is nothing new. Now get it ready quickly. So that now the brigadier said, so that is nothing new. It happens, okay. It is not new thing. So you get ready quickly. Don't waste your time. Now that lady said, I hung my head and rushed back to get ready. So she now moved to get ready for the trekking. I had just turned when I heard his voice again. So see, now listen again the voice of that brigadier. Listen madam, you will lead group number 7. So he said, now you are the leader of the group number 7. You know na, आप तो जानती हैं, you know that. You will have to help any member who has difficulty in climbing the mountains. So you are the leader of that group. So you have to help the members of the group who have difficulties in climbing the mountain or going on the trek. Okay. You have already been told about the responsibilities of a group leader in the mountains. So you have been told this all things earlier about the responsibilities of a leader, how the leader manages the responsibilities. Okay, so you have to lead the group number 7 and so you have to follow the responsibilities also. So this was all for today students. Thank you.